In front of me is Microsoft Surface Go the second, and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So, to detect all apps that are currently active, you need to tap on this task viewer right here. Just click on it, and as you can see here, you are able to see all apps that are running in the background. To close all of them, just mark the cross icon right next to each of them. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, all items have been removed, and there's no recently used apps which are like slowing your device down by running in the background. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.